Dear students, good morning to all of you. This is a program to input 10 states and their capital names. Then input the name of any state and search in the array. So in this program you have to input the name of the 10 states with their capitals. Okay. For example, if you input Uttar Pradesh, the name of the state, so the capital name you have to write Lucknow. Okay. After completion of the 10 records, you have to input any string, means any state name, which you have to find out in the array. If found, so you have to display its capital name. This is the question. If not found, so you have to write this message, sorry, the state is not present in the array. Okay. This is solution of the program. Import java.utility asterisk search capital. Static void main ij for loop flag equal to 0. This is one flag identification of getting the search is found, then the value of flag we are increasing here. String state equal to new string 10. This is array state which capacity is 10, means it can hold 10 states name. String capital, its capacity is also 10, it can hold 10 capital names. Both data type are string, means we can give the data as string type. Another string variable is here, that is search. In search variable we have to input the name of the state which we have to find out from the array. This is the object of the class. Here I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, you are going to input the name of the state and the capital name. System out println and enter state name. This is the message will be displayed on the screen. State I, the value of I is 0 here. So state 0 means the first record you are going to input in the computer. Suppose you write here Uttar Pradesh. After pressing enter key, the next message you will get on the screen. Enter capital name. And you have to write here Lucknow in capital 0. So state 0 and capital 0 means one record is completed. After that your control will go back to the for loop from here and the value of I will be updated here. Now the value of I will be 1. It is less than 10. So the condition is true. Now what will happen? Your control will come to the, or it will come? It will come to the inside of the loop of body, enter state name. So the value of I is 1. You are going to input another state name. Suppose you have written here Bihar, then its capital you have to input here, that is Patna. Again your control will go back from here. So this way your control will go 10 times back here, means your body of loop will be executed 10 times. Thus you will complete the input of the 10 states and their capitals. Okay. Then after completion of the 10 states and their capital name, your control will come outside of this block when this loop will be false. I equal to 0, I less than 10. When the value of I will be 10, the condition will be false. Your control will come outside of this block. So another message you will get on the screen, that is enter state name to find its capital. This is the message. Before entry you will get the message on the terminal window, and search is asking the name of the state. It is a variable. sc dot next line, you know that to input the string we are using next line. So suppose here you have written Bihar. You have written Bihar, Bihar here. So the value of search will be Bihar. Now you have to find out this state in the array. You have input 10 states name and their capitals. If found, so you have to input its capital. Now searching begins here. This is a technique of the linear search. It is on syllabus. I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. If search, what is in the search? Bihar, I will just input, this is the name of the variable. Dot equals ignore case. It is used to compare the two strings. Just you are comparing the numbers with the help of the relational operator, equal to, greater than, less than. But here equals ignore case means if search you have written a small letter and at the time of input of the name of the state you have given capital letter, so it will ignore the case sensitivity. As all of you know that Java is a case sensitive program. So here ignore case is given, so it will ignore the cases, either you write small letter or capital letter. Okay, so here it is given, this is semicolon by mistake it has come here, it should not be. If such dot equals ignore case state I, first record will be checked because the value of I is 0, but first record I given there Uttar Pradesh, so condition is false. Now this bracket will not be executed. Whenever the condition of if will be true, then only your control will enter inside of this body of the if statement, and the lines will be read by the control. So once first check the first record, so that is Uttar Pradesh, and search variable that is Bihar, so the condition is false. Going back, the value of I will be 1. Again it will check if such dot equals ignore case state I, the value of I is 1, means the second record I given that was Bihar. Now both are equal, so the condition is true. Now flag equal to 1 and break. This flag equal to 1 is the identity that the record has found in the array, and just after that it will be break. No need to go further checking for the array, right? So here your control will come outside of this body, and again if condition will be checked, if flag equal to 1, flag equal to 1, condition is true. System out print ln state name is state I, so the value of I is 1. What is in state 1? That is Bihar. You will get state name Bihar, and capital name is the heading, you will get capital I. So that time when the value of I was 1, I input Bihar, and capital name I input that time Patna, so you will get here Patna. So this way you will get the capital of Bihar, because that was your query, that was your question to find out the capital of Bihar. Okay. And this is for otherwise, this else is for otherwise. If any record is not found equivalent to the search, so this will be executed. For example, you have given there Japan, so Japan state is not there, so what will happen? This condition will be false, the value of flag will be 0, and else will be executed. Sorry, the city means the state is not present. Right? So here enter state Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, this is the input. Thus we have to input the name of the 10 capitals, 10 states and their capitals. I have input here. The first one I input Uttar Pradesh, the capital Lucknow, then second state I input Bihar, that is Patna. So Maharashtra, that is Mumbai. Like that I have input here 10 states and their capital names. At the time of searching, it is asking enter state name to find the capital. Here enter state name to find the capital. So here it is written Bihar. My query is Bihar. I want to find out the capital of Bihar. So just I input here Bihar. Okay. After that, the output you will get on the screen. The state name is Bihar and its capital is Patna. So what was our query? To input Bihar and find out the capital of Bihar. So this is the answer. Thus you will get the output of this program. This is one important program. You must study it well and prepare properly. Okay. Now you can see the output of the program here, search capital. Just I am going to execute to take the answer. This is wide main, and this is your terminal window. Here the message is coming enter state. Here you can see enter state, and here we have to input. Suppose I write here Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. After pressing enter key, it is asking enter capital. Now I write here Lucknow. Lucknow, Lucknow. After pressing enter key, another state. Here it is asking the name of another state. Suppose I write here Bihar, Bihar, Bihar. So asking its capital, I write here Patna. Okay, if I write here interstate another, suppose I write here Maharashtra, so it is asking its capital, that is Mumbai. Then again interstate will come, so I write here Punjab, and capital name Chandigarh. Again, this is interstate. I write here Gujarat. So this is Gandhinagar. I write here Odisha. So its capital is Bhubaneswar. I write here state name Kerala. This is Trivandrum. I write here any suppose any false I am writing here FSF, so RTS, like that, some intercapital, interstate, intercapital. Now here is coming interstate name to find capital. Finally, after completion of the 10 states and their capital, it is asking enter the name of the state which capital you want to find out. So I write here, suppose Uttar Pradesh, UTTAR, Uttar PRADESH, Uttar Pradesh, and press enter key. Okay, now you can see I pressed here Uttar Pradesh, this was my query, and the output is coming here. State name is Uttar Pradesh, capital name is Lucknow. Okay, so my dear, this is the program in which you can input the name of the any state and you can find out the capital. So you go through this video properly and you prepare everything well. Okay, thank you very much.